concept of the Internet of Things, IoT, is becoming increasingly popular, with predictions indicating that there will be over 75 billion connected devices by 2025. One of the main applications of the IoT is M2M, communication. In manufacturing, M2M connections will play a significant role in improving efficiency, reducing downtime, and increasing output over the next decade. This short video will examine how M2M connections will change manufacturing over the next decade. M2M communication involves the exchange of data between machines without the need for human intervention. It allows machines to communicate with each other and with central systems to share information and automate processes. In manufacturing, M2M communication can be used to optimize production, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. One of the main benefits of M2M communication in manufacturing is predictive maintenance. By using sensors and real-time data analysis, machines can predict when they are likely to fail and alert maintenance staff before this happens. This can prevent costly breakdowns and reduce downtime, ensuring that production lines continue to run smoothly. This technology can also be used to monitor the performance of machines, allowing manufacturers to identify trends and make adjustments to optimize performance. M2M communication can also be used to optimize the supply chain. By tracking inventory levels in real time and sharing this information with suppliers, manufacturers can ensure that they have the right amount of materials available at the right time. This can help to reduce waste and improve efficiency, as well as ensuring that production schedules are met. In addition, M2M communication can be used to automate production processes. By connecting machines and sharing information, manufacturers can create a more efficient and streamlined production line. This can lead to increased output, reduced costs, and improved product quality. For example, M2M communication can be used to monitor the temperature and humidity of a production environment, ensuring that the conditions are optimal for production. M2M communication can also be used to improve quality control. By connecting machines and sensors, manufacturers can track the production process in real time and identify any quality issues. This can allow manufacturers to make adjustments to the production process to ensure that the quality of the final product meets the required standards. Another benefit of M2M communication is that it can be used to improve worker safety. By connecting machines and sensors, manufacturers can monitor the production environment and identify potential hazards. This can help to prevent accidents and reduce the risk of injury to workers. Overall, M2M communication will have a significant impact on manufacturing over the next decade. It will enable manufacturers to optimize production, reduce downtime, and increase output. It will also improve quality control and worker safety. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the main challenges of M2M communication is data security. With so much data being exchanged between machines, it is essential that manufacturers have robust security measures in place to protect this data. This will require the development of secure networks and protocols to ensure that data is protected from hackers and other security threats. Another challenge is the cost of implementing M2M communication. While the benefits of M2M communication are clear, the initial investment required to set up these systems can be significant. This can be a barrier to adoption, particularly for smaller manufacturers. Finally, there is also the challenge of integrating different systems and technologies. With so many different machines and systems in use in manufacturing, it can be difficult to integrate them all into a single M2M system. This will require manufacturers to work together to develop common standards and protocols to ensure that different systems can communicate with each other. In conclusion, M2M communication will have a significant impact on manufacturing over the next decade. It will enable manufacturers to optimize production, reduce downtime, and increase output. It will also improve quality control and worker safety. However, it is essential that manufacturers have robust security measures in place to protect this data. Thank you for watching this short educational video from Evestico. If you would like to learn more about how industrial automation is changing our world, visit our website here.